In several previous posts, I have argued that our fundamental experience of existence is vrittis, fluctuations in consciousness in the form of sensations, sense perceptions, images, feelings, and thoughts. By giving meaning to these sensations, essentially, we create the notion of an objective universe and a human body that observes that human universe. I will share this argument in detail in another video, but now what I'm suggesting is that as we humans collectively expand and refine our interpretations of vrittis, fluctuations in consciousness, mental fluctuations or patterns of perception, then we co-create the concept of an evolving universe. So what I'm sharing with you now integrates principles from yogic philosophy and non-local realism. Let's explore this in detail. Vrittis are the fundamental movements of the mind that give meaning to raw sensation. Each time we interpret or label, which means give it a word, a sensation, we generate a vritti, which shapes our perception of reality. These vrittis are not static. They evolve as our knowledge, language, and collective understanding grow. For example, ancient humans might have interpreted lightning as a sign from the gods, a vritti shaped by their worldview. Today, we interpret it as an electrical discharge reflecting a new vritti shaped by what we call scientific understanding. So as individuals and societies interact, they share, they challenge, and they refine their interpretations of experience. This process leads to, one, the emergence of new concepts, technologies, and scientific paradigms. Two, the transformation of shared beliefs about the nature of reality. And three, the constant revision and expansion of what is considered possible or real. This collective evolution of vrittis results in a continually shifting worldview, which is projected onto the universe or as the universe itself. So the notion of an evolving universe arises from the cumulative effect of these expanding vrittis. What we perceive as the universe's evolution, cosmic, biological, technological, is a reflection of our expanding capacity to interpret, categorize, and find meaning in experience. The universe as we know it is not a fixed entity, but a dynamic narrative shaped by the ongoing interplay of countless vrittis within non-local awareness. As our collective interpretations grow more complex and nuanced, so does our conception of the universe's structure, history, and future. All vrittis, and thus all evolving interpretations, arise within non-local awareness, the fundamental field of consciousness that underlies and unites all experience. The evolving universe is therefore not an objective external process, but a participatory phenomenon within this field. So this is my conclusion. As we collectively expand the interpretation of vrittis, we do not merely observe an evolving universe, we actively co-create its very notion. The universe's apparent evolution is a mirror of our expanding collective consciousness, with each new vritti adding to the richness and depth of the cosmic story unfolding within non-local awareness. This is how we collectively create the notion of a physical universe with a material body observing it. And this is the miracle of our existence, of our human existence.